Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Please subscribe and like and watch until the end for a big surprise waiting. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mum, says Bob. Pete asks Mum, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mum. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mum. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mum. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits. The hiccups are gone. Mums are so smart. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There's text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.